this my present for you. Guys, nandito ka na rin lang guys. Vlog mo na ako. Good morning everyone. Ikaw babe, ikot tayo.
Huwag ka tumawag mo.
Ayusin mo, yan, ang mga bagong halaman namin. This is our new plant. Wala kang mga kamarites. You see, nice view. Yeah. All now, this my flowers. Everything is for my babe. This is my present for you. Also, come. Marites, come. Good morning, everyone. I wish you good luck. And corona vaccine is coming now. And this is all for weather nice. Come, Marites. I show them. Ay, may hindi pala maganda yung ano sa likod, no? Oh, babe. Again, this is my present for you. Okay, come. Come away. It's for you. Oh, flower for you. Your birthday today. Accept it. This is my son. I love him. He's now going to school. It's his birthday and it's his first day for orientation in college. Wish him to be a good engineer or doctor or businessman or lawyer, whatever he like, or astronaut. Yeah. Yeah, nice weather today. Marites, say hello. Now, this is my flowers. Ito na yung flower garden ko. Yan. Meron kaming mga nana. Mga hanging plants ko. Ito. Dami ng halaman. Yan. Yan yung mga new collection ko. Yan. Tsaka yung cucumber namin. This is my cucumber. Yan. Okay. This is nice. Sunny day. Malunggay now is growing with flowers and bunga. And I have this one. Yung darihan now. Ayan. Of course, may collection of roses. And lots of yan, this is my malunggay tree. I make it like for hanging. Good idea, yeah. This one is in the night. This is my Christmas light. Yan. Oh, meron. I have one more here. Rose. See rose. They are pink rose. Hello, pink rose. Good morning to you. Make more flowers. And I have this. I don't know if you know these plants. This one. This maybe. Yeah, fruits already. Another tree. And I have papaya tree. This my papaya will grow. And I still have lemon. Oh, lots of lemon there. You can see lemon. I love you, lemon. Okay. I have lots of aloe vera also. And this snake plants. Yeah, lots of aloe vera there. And this is my seedlings. This is my seedling. Again, Marites is there, my helping mother. And this is my lemons. I love to plants, because planting is nice. It makes me live. You see? I will show you again the papaya there. Oh my God. Papaya is life. You see what I do there, my papaya? That is dates. We cut the dates and I put it there. Look, to cover or make it as decoration. Oops. Look there what I did. Nice, huh? Lots of aloe veras and lemon trees again. I have one more plants here. Wait, I will show you. Oh my God, it's so cold in Dubai. Yeah. Here are my plants. Yeah, this is my collection of plants. Lots of plants because I love plants. Here I have kamote. Lots of kamote. And this is curry puti for curry. That one. This is again lemon tree. And this is the view of Dubai Al Tawar house. I love to plants. This one, he survived in the summer. I put umbrella on top. Now it's some winter time. She's nice. She loves to give flowers every day. This magnificent violet or pink color. Very nice, amazing. See how I have a little cactus here. You see, cactus is also live. They're growing. Inshallah, I wish that Allah will give me more cactus so that it's nice for them also. Yeah. I have lots of snake plants from Philippines. I bring them here in Al Tawar and I grow them, lots of them. And these are my mini garden. This from my friend. She gave me this. Her name is Jane. She gave me a rubber plants. This one. How amazing. And they are growing fast. Have a good day. And that's for today. This is my life. My plants. I love to plant I want to plant or making garden during my day off. This is what I do after a hard work in the airport. Hala, have a good day. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, chup chup. Have a good day. Have a nice life. 2021 is a year of loving, abundance, and prosperity. I wish to Allah that everyone will be safe and in good health. Bye.